Do you ever feel like no matter how much you earn, you're still stuck living paycheck to paycheck? You work hard, you get paid, and within a week, maybe less, the money's gone. Bills, groceries, rent, gas, maybe a little eating out, and boom, you're broke again. Then it's back to counting days till the next payday. Sound familiar? If you're tired of that cycle, this video is exactly what you need. Because today, I'm breaking down the ultimate 2025 budgeting plan, a practical, step-by-step system to help you finally stop living paycheck to paycheck and start building real financial control in your life. Welcome to USA Finance Hub, the place where we break down personal finance so it's actually useful for everyday Americans. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe because every week we're sharing no fluff, real-world strategies to help you win with money in today's economy. Now, let's get into it. The truth is, living paycheck to paycheck isn't just about how much you make, it's about how you manage what you keep. In fact, surveys in 2025 show that over 62% of Americans earning over $100,000 a year still live paycheck to paycheck. It's not an income problem, it's a planning problem, and the right budget can fix that. So here's the budgeting plan that works even in today's high inflation, high-cost environment. We're going to walk through 7 steps that will transform the way you handle your money. And I promise, this is not your grandma's budget. Let's dive in. Step 1. Get brutally honest with your numbers. You can't fix what you can't see. The first step is awareness. Track every single dollar you spend for the next 30 days. I'm talking groceries, subscriptions, gas, that $5 coffee. Use apps like Mint, Monarch, or YNAB, or just use your bank's export feature. Your goal is to get a full, honest picture of where your money is going. Most people are shocked by how much they spend on stuff they barely remember. Step 2. Create a zero-based budget. This isn't just about listing your bills. A zero-based budget means every dollar you earn is assigned a job, whether that's covering expenses, paying down debt, building savings, or investing. Income minus expenses should equal 0, not because you're broke, but because you're in control. This method helps you stop wasting money and start telling it where to go. Step 3. Prioritize the essentials first. In budgeting, there's something called the 4 walls: food, utilities, shelter, and transportation. These are your survival needs. Always cover these before anything else. Once these are handled, you can focus on debts, savings goals, and lifestyle choices like dining out or entertainment. Step 4. Automate your money flow. Set up automatic payments for bills and automatic transfers to savings or debt. Automation removes temptation and makes discipline easier. You can even schedule your bill payments to match your paycheck schedule so your money flows smoothly, no surprises. Step 5. Use multiple bank accounts strategically. Here's a pro tip. Don't keep all your money in one checking account. Use a split account system, one for bills, one for everyday spending, and one for savings. This structure creates natural spending boundaries and prevents you from accidentally dipping into rent money when you're at Target. Step 6. Build an emergency buffer, even a small one. Start with a $500, $1,000 mini emergency fund. This is not your full savings. It's just a buffer so that an unexpected flat tire or medical copay doesn't derail your entire month. Once you're out of the paycheck to paycheck cycle, you can build this into a full 3-6-month fund. Step 7. Review weekly, adjust monthly. Most people fail at budgeting because they set it and forget it. That's not how life works. Every Sunday or payday, do a 10-minute money check-in. Then once a month, review what worked, what didn't, and adjust your budget. This is where long-term success is built, not in the setup, but in the follow-through. Now let's talk about mindset, because no budget works without the right mindset. Budgeting isn't punishment. It's not about restriction. It's about intentionality. It's about knowing that you get to decide where your money goes instead of wondering where it went. Once you start seeing results, that first $500 saved, that first credit card paid off, that first month where you're not stressing before payday, that's when it clicks. Let me give you an example. One of our viewers, Jake from Ohio, DM'd us a few months ago. He was making $75,000 a year, but still couldn't save a dime. He followed this exact plan, tracked his spending, built a zero-based budget, separated his accounts, and automated savings. In just 3 months, he went from paycheck to paycheck to having over $2,400 saved and started aggressively paying down debt. No raise, no side hustle, just smarter budgeting. And Jake's not an exception. This system works if you work it. Now, I know someone's going to ask, what if I don't make enough to budget? And look, I get it. If your income barely covers the basics, budgeting won't solve everything, but it will show you exactly where the gaps are. That knowledge is power. You might realize you need to pick up extra income temporarily. You might find you're overspending on small things that add up. The point is, budgeting gives you clarity and clarity gives you options. Here's the deal. You don't have to stay stuck. You don't have to dread payday. You don't have to live in overdraft fees and late payments. You don't have to feel broke every month. But nothing changes if nothing changes. So today, take the first step. Open your bank app. Look at your last 30 days of spending. That's your starting line. And if you want to go deeper, we've got more budgeting resources coming right here on USA Finance Hub. So hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell so you don't miss any of them. If you got value from this video, do me a favor, give it a thumbs up and drop a comment below. Let me know. What's the one thing that keeps messing up your budget? I want to hear your story, and you never know. Your comment might be the one that helps someone else too. Remember, at USA Finance Hub, we're not here to judge. We're here to help. Whether you're making $40K or $140K, you deserve financial peace, and it starts with a plan. Thanks for watching. Take control of your money, and I'll see you in the next one.